Good morning students, welcome back to the EVS class. I hope all are good. Today we are going to study about the climatic zones. Students, we already know that different part of the earth has different type of climatic conditions. Okay, last days we have learned about that. Also, factors that determine climate. Okay students, means these climatic conditions determined by many factors. Okay students, see, places where rays of the sun falls directly are very hot. This middle area, they get direct rays of the sun. That is why this is the hottest part of the earth. Hottest, सबसे ज़्यादा गर्म कहाँ मिलता है? जो middle side में, because they get the direct rays of the sun. They vertically सीधे sunrise overhead में पहुँच जाता है. That is why this is the hottest part of the earth. Okay, climatic zone, torrid zone. First climatic zone, torrid zone. Okay students, then students, places that receive slanting rays of the sun are less hot, means they have moderate climate, pleasant climate, है ना, अच्छा climate मिलता है. Okay students, means neither very hot nor very cold, अच्छा climate. Understand students? This is the north temperate zone and the south temperate zone. Okay, one north temperate zone and the south temperate zone, they get a moderate climate. Okay students, then see next one. Some places are covered with snow throughout the year. Okay, this frigid zone, north frigid zone and the south frigid zone. Why? Where is their place? They are not getting, means these places are not getting enough sunlight. That is why, okay, frigid zone are freezing throughout the year. Understand students? Means these different type of climate are happening throughout the year. Then some more places are there. They get heavy rainfall throughout the year, means wet throughout the year. Understand students? Means now I will explain you. See students. See, we know about the important latitudes. Okay students, the climatic zones of the earth are distinguished by the latitudes that run across the earth. In previous class, means in the chapter of globes and maps, we learned about the latitudes. They are the important latitudes. Okay, the most important latitudes is the equator. Okay students, this middle one, longest latitudes. Okay, then Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, North and South. Okay students, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. They are the important latitudes of the earth. Okay students, so these climatic zones of the earth are distinguished by the latitudes. Okay students, these latitudes run around the earth. Okay, around the globe. Okay students, imaginary lines of the earth. Most important line, equator. Okay students, the regions between the two tropics in the torrid zone. This is the hottest part of the earth. I told you already. Okay, this torrid zone situates, means this torrid zone lies in between north temperate zone and south temperate zone. Okay, ये बीच में पड़ा है torrid zone. Okay, बीच में जो पड़ा है वो क्या है? Torrid zone. Okay students, then the torrid zone includes most of the Africa, means countries that lies on this part of the earth. Okay, torrid zone में कौन-कौन से countries पड़ा है students? The most part of the Africa, southern India, then southern Asia, Indonesia, south, north, south, central America, means South America, North America and Central America. ये बीच वाला में पड़ा है. कहाँ पड़ा है? Torrid zone में. Understand students? Then next one, north temperate zone. What is the next one? North temperate zone and the south temperate zone. Students, this north temperate zone lies in between frigid zone ये दोनों का बीच में पड़ा है, कौन कौन सा है? फ्रिजिड जोन एंड टॉर्रिड जोन. नॉर्थ टेम्परेट जोन, they have moderate climate, neither very hot nor very cold. Means सादा climate, means cold climate is also there, means ज़्यादा ठंडा भी नहीं है, ज़्यादा गर्म भी नहीं है. Understand students? And south temperate zone also same climate. Understand students? Now they have mild temperature. Okay students? Now students, this north temperate zone as it usually have a mild temperature. Okay students? Means they have all 4 seasons. Means these both north temperate zone and south temperate zone. Okay, what are the 4 seasons? Summer, spring, autumn and winter. Annually it's happening. Okay students, this is because in these regions the sun rays never overhead. सनराइज ओवरहेड में नहीं आता है, स्लैंटिंग राइज है ना, टेढ़ा आता है. स्लैंटिंग राइज मीन्स इट स्प्रेड लार्जर एरिया, एयर स्प्रेड द हीट ऑफ द सन द लार्ज एरिया. दैट इज व्हाई दे आर नॉट गेटिंग मीन्स मोर हीट, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग ज़्यादा हीट नहीं मिलता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? देन सी स्टूडेंट्स, दिस नॉर्थ टेम्परेट जोन इंक्लूड्स some countries. Great, I will tell you some names. Okay, Great Britain, then Europe, Northern Asia, North America and South America, means part of these places. Okay students, Northern Mexico, these places are lies in the north temperate zone. North temperate zone में अभी जो मैंने जो बताया वो countries पढ़ा है. Okay students, then South temperate zone. Okay students, what is this? South temperate zone. This means in this south temperate zone में क्या क्या countries हैं? I will tell you. Okay students, Australia, Southern Australia, New Zealand है, Southern means South America, South Africa. ये countries इसमें पड़ा है. These countries are lies in this south temperate zone. Okay, they have mild temperature. That is why. Okay, so these countries are lies on this zone. Now let us learn about the frigid zone. What? Frigid zone. This is the last. The last of the zones is the means other extremes. Okay, students. Last zones है Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. ये कौन सा zone है? Frigid zone means throughout the year these zones are freezing. Freezing होता है means covered with the snow, covered with the ice. That is why. Okay students, see students, and so it is called the frigid zone. इसलिए इस लोग को क्या बोलता है? इस zone को frigid zone बोलता है. Okay students, it is the coldest part of the earth. को middle area is the hottest part of the earth and this part is the coldest part of the earth. Coldest part means बहुत ठंडा है, means snow covered area है. Understand students? These zones lie beyond the Arctic and the Antarctic Circle. So you know they are freezing. Okay students? Now sometimes the sun doesn't rise on sunset, means sun doesn't rise or set. Sunrise sunset है जैसे हमारा जो कंट्री में जो हो रहा है ऐसे उधर नहीं है. Okay students, what means 24 hours system उधर नहीं है. Sometimes, okay students, and sometimes the day is literally 1 year long. Day कभी कभी 1 year means अच्छे से लाइट नहीं मिलता है, थोड़ा सा मिलता है. 1 year पूरा ऐसे होता है. Then otherwise 6th month day and 6th month night. The edges of the temperate zone also like this. Okay, see they are the frigid zone. They are not getting enough sunlight. Sometimes means no any 24 hour system उधर नहीं है. They are not getting enough light. That is why. Okay students, can you able to understand? Now let us learn about climate change affect the world. Okay, climate change affect the world. Students, climate zones of the earth कौन सा है? The torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone. Okay, that is finished. Next one, climate change of the world. Lack of rain, result in drought. What is the meaning of drought? जहाँ पानी means shortage of water. ये drought है, lack of water. Why this drought is happening? What is the reason? Lack of rain. जब rain नहीं मिलता है तब drought होता है. Okay? That is why. What is the cause of the drought? Lack of rain. Means कभी कभी हमें rain नहीं मिलता है तब क्या होता है? Droughts. Means what are the effects of the droughts? Means what are the consequences of the droughts? अगर ज़्यादा पानी में shortage आ गया तो क्या करेंगे? क्या होता है? Plants, all plants and animals depend on water. Water नहीं तो जी नहीं पाएगा, है ना? Many activities are there. Okay, so we all need water. Without water we cannot able to live. Okay, students, means plant get weak. Okay, this is the cause of forest fire. Okay, see, अगर drought आ गया तो forest fire हो सकता है. Understand students? अगर drought आ गया तो crop damage. Okay, effects of drought. Okay, consequences of drought. What? Crop damage हो सकता है. Hottest means forest fire. फॉरेस्ट फायर कैसे होता है? अगर ड्रॉट आ गया, सब सूखा सूखा प्लांट पूरा खड़ा है तो इट कैन कैच द फायर. इसलिए व्हेन लाइटनिंग मीन्स लाइट आता है, बिजली जब आता है बारिश का टाइम तब ये सब हो सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? देन हेवी रेनफॉल कोज टू फ्लड. अगर हेवी रेनफॉल है तो इट कोज फ्लड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हेवी रेनफॉल कोज फ्लड्स. Understand? Then students, hottest temperature, one of the reason climatic change affect the world. Hottest temperature, then forest fire, crop damage. Okay, heavy rainfall cause floods, lack of rain result in droughts. Understand students? Now okay, this I explained. Now you can read the chapter once again. Okay students? Okay, good.